Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza from professionaltutorial.com, and in this tutorial we are going to learn the hidden feature of Google Chrome, and we are going to play Dinosaur Game. And that is one of hidden feature and maybe best feature when you don't have internet access in your PC or mobile, maybe laptop or tablet, but you do have Google Chrome, and that is the top priority of that secret. Now for that I am in Google Chrome, and right now I have google.com, and you can just write here something. For example, now I just write my name, and you can see now it is accessing here. But what if we are going to turn off internet? Here I have just PTCL-BB which is connected. Now I click that one and click disconnect. Now you will see that now it is disconnected and I have no internet access. Now if I'm going to search something here, then you will get that there is no internet connection, and you find that you have now a dinosaur and its eye is also blinking, and there is some information that try, and that is all about your internet connection, that how you are going to diagnose. But we don't need that. We want, and we gonna see that what that dinosaur will do. Now if I am going to press my up arrow in my keyboard, you will see that now it is running, and we have also a score on the top right corner, and we can play a beautiful game here. And whenever you don't have access in internet and you are on your way, but you have nothing in your mobile or PC to play, then you can play that game always. Now let me try once again and see how much score I can make from here. And it is beautiful game. You can play that. And let me just go how much far I will go. Yes, it is hanging. I don't know what is the problem, but I hope that you got the idea that we can play a game in Google Chrome when we do not have internet access. But if you are going to connect once again your internet, and now you will find that it will no more just be there, and it will just disappear because now your internet has been connected. I hope you like that tutorial, and see you in next amazing tutorial in future. Just subscribe that channel, and please thumbs up that video if you like that one, and share with your friends. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.